Alright guys, welcome back to the new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can set up free shipping on Shopify. I have made the video on this earlier, but the video is outdated and Shopify has changed quite a bit of things since that time. So I wanted to make a completely new video showing you what are the settings that have to be changed in order to set up free shipping on Shopify. And trust me guys, free shipping is the way to go. Do not charge your customers for shipping, because a lot of customers do not want to pay any shipping charges once they have made their mind to buy the product. You should not create any other obstacle in letting them purchase basically. So you can set up an additional option along with free shipping, which will be expedited shipping, where you will charge $2 to $3 extra for the shipping. Maybe it depends on you, and you can give that option, but never remove free shipping at all, because most of the customers want free shipping. So let's jump right on a computer and see how it is done. So you will get on the Shopify dashboard after signing up, and you will go to settings, and then you will click on shipping and delivery. So this is the address you have entered in the Shopify while setting it up. Now you don't have to do anything here. Make sure you have turned off local delivery. So first of all, you have to go in shipping, and what you have to do is you have to create a plan. So you can see like Shopify defaults these settings to these. Basically under $50 the shipping will be free. So you have to delete all of this by clicking here on the three buttons or three dots and deleting everything. Now you have to set up another condition where you will like custom rate, and then you will type free, or maybe there is one hack that I wanted to show you guys. You can write priority shipping with tracking, and this simple thing increases your conversions by another 1%, and you will keep the price as 0 as well. Now you have to keep the minimum price as 1, anyone who, or maybe let's say 0, so it will apply to all the orders that comes from US. So since we have chosen our country to US in the when we try to set up the store, that is why in domestic it shows US. Otherwise, if you are from a particular country other than United States, let's say Netherlands or UK, then you will be getting an option for setting up in UK. Domestic country would be your UK. So you have to set up free shipping, and depending on where you advertise the products, you have to set other plans as well. So in the rest of the world, I'm going to do the same thing, because we want our free shipping to be in the entire world, not just in the US. So we are going to check it here, and we will do the exact same thing. We can actually delete it, and we'll click create a new one. Set up your own carrier, set up your own rates, custom flat rate, and then you will do the same thing. And that's it. Here you go. $0 and up, you will get free shipping. Customers will get free shipping, and for the rest of the world, it does the same. You have to do it for the same. You have to do exactly the same as I did, and it will apply to in the entire world, no matter where people buy. Since I have 0 product, all the things will be affected if I add some products in it. If I add any products, they will come up here. All the orders are qualified for free shipping here. Suppose if you are advertising only to the US market, what you can do is you can click on create shipping zone, and you can particularly go for a single country. Like if I'm advertising only in let's say in the United Kingdom, then I will go for United Kingdom, and we will set up the zone named as UK, and then we will get an option to select a different rate for this particular country. Let's say my supplier can ship out items to UK for another $5 than he would for the rest of the world. Then I would charge $5 here by adding a rate here. So let's say we will charge $5, and that's pretty much it. Anyone from UK, if he orders, he will be charged $5 extra than any other country. So this is how you set up free shipping in Shopify. And you have to do one more thing. Okay, you have to go to taxes here, and you have to select all prices include taxes. In default, what basically, if you collect taxes from customers, you are required to pay the taxes to the government as well. So do not do that. Make sure that you do not collect it in the first place. It will avoid you a lot of headache. And you can say like all prices include taxes, and depending on where your company is set up, you are basically required to pay state tax to the government of particular state if the order comes from that particular state. So that is pretty much it. You have to just check it out, like if you are collecting any taxes, and since it is not default available, we don't have to worry about it. And that's pretty much it. This is for the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell so you can never miss any other update in the future. One more thing, in locations, you have to add your location, and it will say that it is getting shipped from this particular location. This is basically for those people who want to offer local delivery, as well as they want people to come pick their items who are nearby. So in that case, it matters. You have to add here the location, and it will ask you about all the details, so you can enter your warehouse details so that people can come pick it up. When you are After you have done that, you have to come back to shipping and delivery, and you will simply select manage, and you will take care uh, about local pickup and local delivery. And that's pretty much it for the shipping and delivery video.